We kick things off with football. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz will have to get the better of Canada if they are to participate in the Nations League finals next year or earn automatic qualification for the 2024 Copa America tournament. The Jamaicans will host the Canadians on November 17 at the National Stadium before journeying to the North American country 4 days later for the return leg quarterfinal match on November 21. The Reggae Boyz were the second best group winners after Panama, who blanked Guatemala 3-0 at home last night. The Panamanians finished with 10 points in Group A, similar to the Reggae Boyz, but had a superior goal difference. Now, based on the CONCACAF ranking index, top-ranked teams Mexico and the USA will take on Honduras and Trinidad and Tobago, who were the runners-up at the group stage. Jamaica, who are 6th based in the index, play the third-best team based on the rankings. Panama, they'll oppose Costa Rica. Now, should the Reggae Boyz fail to get the better of Canada, they'll miss out on the Nations League finals, but will still have an opportunity to qualify for the CONMEBOL Copa America tournament through a playoff round, which determines the final 2 spots.